What's up guys, Alex here, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are feeling well. And today Apple dropped iOS 12.1 beta 2 to the registered developers. If you want to install this update, of course guys, you can go ahead and go to appsfortheiphone.net. I'm gonna have this one linked in the description. Just basically launch this web application and then grab a profile that will of course allow you guys to install this beta for yourself. So it's here in this middle section of the apps for the iPhone. Here is the iOS 12 beta profile. Grab it from here. But anyways, now let's move on to the build number and all of that stuff. So first of all, the build number of this beta is 16B5068i. So this of course isn't the last beta, and there should be like 5 betas or 6 along the way. But the new features in this beta, and this is exactly why I'm making this video, is the new emojis. So we finally got some new emojis in this beta, and let me just go ahead and show you which ones do we have included right now. We've got this hearts emojis, the hearts floating around the actual smile, which of course I'm gonna use, the kangaroo. We've got skateboard, we've got some insects, we've got a ton of stuff of course. So there should be about 70 new emojis available to us in this beta. So let me just go ahead and show you a few. So there's this new kind of emojis with hearts. Also probably this one is new because this is like for happy birthday or something like this, to wish a happy birthday. And then of course we have this one, kind of a freezing emoji when you're cold. What else? So yeah, I don't see that many. Oh, there is a lady with the actual white hair. Then what else? So probably these two are new. And I don't really know whether these sports emojis were included before, but probably yes. I remember a few of these, but I don't really remember the mountain climbing and also bicycle. That is probably new to this beta. Also this one, the kind of a beach side or beach view up here, this should be new. Yeah, so a ton of new emojis are actually added to our iPhone. Of course, if you send these to your friends, they probably will not see what you're sending because these are new and only included in here. Oh, the bear emoji should be actually new in here, so your friends won't be able to actually see these emojis, I think. And yeah guys, I think that should be pretty much it. Of course, this iOS 12.1 also brought the group Facetime, so if you are into this feature, you can use it up here. And yeah, I think that should be pretty much it guys for today. Just wanted to quickly show you this new feature in this beta. I usually don't do this kind of videos because they are boring, they are similar, but today we finally got something new. Of course, if you enjoyed this video guys, you know what to do, and as always, I really hope to see you around on my next one, and peace out.